Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw the 1-point perspective drawing really quick so you can use it in your own art. So we start by drawing a cross. That's the easiest way to do it, with a point in the middle. And then what you can proceed to do is draw lines emanating, coming out from that center vanishing point. That's what it's called, the vanishing point. And it lies on the horizon line. These lines help create a guide for the shrinking aspect that occurs when we go to draw the artist's picture plane. Objects shrink toward that vanishing point. It's better known as a point at infinity. Then we can go ahead and draw parallel lines, because what this does is add this depth factor look where it looks like the actual landscape of the universe is emerging naturally in this artist's picture plane. I further go ahead and draw a rectangle around this whole thing just to make it look like kind of a picture plane in itself. And then this is where it gets interesting. I go ahead and add shapes. I start with cubes that shrink toward the vanishing point, as you can see, and this kind of starts to create the actual illusion of depth discovered by the Renaissance artists in the 14, 15, 1600s basically. The key here is to draw things shrinking toward the vanishing point. It creates the illusion of depth. So that's pretty much it. You draw a point at infinity is what happens, and that point at infinity creates depth in the artist's picture plane, where objects shrink toward the background and the horizon line. If you like this video, consider subscribing to follow me for more art tips like this.